Let me speak to this for a moment. I've been avoiding this topic since I don't know when, but I'm concerned about the pushback that we get from the members of the EFF every time we speak about unity amongst South Africans, or black South Africans to be more specific. And it's shocking to get this pushback from people that we thought were progressive as we do as the MKP. We thought the MK wanted to achieve a true liberation of black South Africans in South Africa as we do. But every time when we try to organize the black vote, or when we try to organize the progressive caucus, we get a pushback from the EFF, which makes me wonder what agenda is the EFF pushing. Kahle kahle. And for your information, the MK party does not need EFF for its existence. No, it has only 1 year and it has grown to be bigger than the EFF in terms of numbers. And we are not saying this to brag. It is not the time. At this present moment, we should be focusing on uniting and organizing the black vote, or the progressive caucus. Now, we are saying this to say, Uguti, even the EFF does not need the MK party to exist. You guys can exist whether the MK party is supporter or it doesn't. Yabo? But we understand, we understand the importance of organizing the people under one common goal, to push back from this transaction that Cyril and his team are embarking on. Yabo? Because ilizwe lethu is being sold ebusweni bethu, and we are trying to stop that. But you guys are pushing back on a call that seeks to stop this transaction that I'm talking about. Whose interest are you pushing? Fighters. Nenzani. Our SG, Mr. Floyd Shivambu, was correct when he said, we are actually not begging when we say South Africans must unite. We are not begging you. We can be hey, we should not be playing party politics. This is not to beg, but it is something that must happen. Black South Africans should unite and stop this whole thing that is going on. But nina umani push back nyangthusa. Awusho ilanga, we should not be surprised when we see you join GNU. I thought it was a joke when I listened to the CIC, your president, Julius Malema, at the EMK party is the #1 enemy of the EFF. And I'm starting to realize what he was actually serious. Seriously, guys, are you characterizing the MK party as your #1 enemy over John Steenhuisen, over Johan Rupert's, over Rob Hassoff, over people who are selling the country out? The #1 enemy is the MK party, the party that advocates for a true liberation of South Africans. Ningenza ngithuka ukuthi kanti eyabani le kanti nikhulumela bani indaba ilento ya into ka Floyd noDali Mpofu nomkhwebana le eyenza nibe nale hate eninayo against the MK party. So suddenly manje guys nina seni willing to give up yonke into, to give up the whole country in the name of Floyd Shivambu noDali Mpofu, no? How? All of a sudden Floyd Shivambu noma ukusuka kwa Floyd Shivambu kwi-EFF eza kwi-MK party sekubaluleke ngaphezulu kwe-revolution. Ayibo. I-revolution is more important than the SG. Oh, SG une content. Ayunayo ke content bengimbuka manje, but asikho lapho. Niyangithusa okusho nisa qualify ukuthi nibe la eskipping sami. Asibo iskipper sami kukhona ngisho iANC, because we understand ukuthi even in the ANC there is a progressive caucus. So when we call for this unity, as directile kahle hle EFF, sisho bonke abantu, it's a call for all South Africans that understand or that are conscious of what is happening njengamanje South Africa, ukuthi we must come together and speak with one voice as a people, because into that we are going through as MK party supporters, you are also going through as EFF supporters. And the people from the ANC are also going through the same thing that we're going through. So the only pressure that is felt by only members of the MK party, we are also feeling the same thing. So when we say, guys, we must unite, it is in the best interest of South Africans, not in the best interest of the MK party. As Lali party politics, we are for a true liberation. Ikona kubalekile lokho kunokuthi uFloyd wasuka ngenweza kuthini. Kufanele ngabe nisadinwe yiloko namanje. And uPresident uJulius Malema is incorrect when he characterizes the MK party as your number one enemy. It is not. Even President Jacob Zuma uma engasitshena thina nathi isitha sethu sokuqala manje Cyril Ramaphosa singasho ukuthi unamanga, because sikliye ngokuthi obani izitha zethu zokuqala. It is these people that are handlers of the ANC. Anyway, angikholwa ukuthi uJohan Rupert ubengazi ukuthi kuzodlalwa ivideo kaMalema kule meeting. One or two people kwi team ya President uCyril Ramaphosa knew about the video that it was gonna be played kule meeting, but bebengeke bamtshene because bekufanele imbambe ngesurprise. Banjalo kabelungu. For sure yedwa wabo bazi ukuthi kukhona isurprise abazombamba ngayo Cyril. Mase bona bamrescueisha. Ayiboy what supremacy isebenza kanjalo ke. So akwazi ukuthi kubu Cyril number 1 enemy yethu. Number 1 enemy yethu uJohan Rupert, Steenhuisen, uGoguzile, uRob Hassoff, yonke Stellenbosch mafia. And then sizodila nabo kuqala before sizodila no. Akwazi ukuthi nina EFF nithi number 1 enemy wenu uPresident uJacob Zuma ebekhuluma into ebesizitshela nani niyayikhuluma. Nikhuluma nina if not the interest of the oppressed group? What is it that you are pushing? What is your agenda?